Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to connect and use Square as a payment processor in GoHighLevel. This integration allows us to accept payments, manage transactions, and handle billing for products or services directly within the system. On the GoHighLevel dashboard, go to Settings. You can find Settings in the lower left part of the screen. Once we are there, click Integrations, which is near the bottom of the menu. Click Integrations, and in the search bar, type Square. Under this section, select the Checkout on Page option. Next, choose Square. Click Manage and then find Square. Square will appear on the screen. Click Connect. From here, select the connection mode. Once selected, click Connect. Now we just need to log in to our Square account. Once logged in, we are now integrated with GoHighLevel. That is how we connect and use Square in GoHighLevel. With payments set up, we can streamline the checkout process and manage our business more efficiently.